Hey, if you're serious about getting the most out of your ketogenic lifestyle, more energy, faster fat loss, and next level nutrition, you can't ignore this one food group. And no, it's not bacon. I'm talking about organ meats, nature's original multivitamin. Point number one, why liver, heart, and kidney are powerhouses. Let's start with liver. Just one serving is loaded with vitamin A, iron, B12, and choline, all critical for fat metabolism and brain function. Heart, it's rich in CoQ10, a powerful antioxidant that supports heart health and boosts cellular energy. Kidney, high in selenium, great for your thyroid and immune system. These are the nutrients most of us miss, especially on a carb-restricted diet and lifestyle. Point number two, how to make them taste good. Think organ meats are gross? I used to feel the same way until I learned how to prepare them right. Try this. Mix 25% liver into ground beef for burgers. You won't taste the difference, but your body will feel the difference. Your kids will love it too. Or slow cook beef heart like stew meat. It's surprisingly tender. Want to go fancy? A paté made from liver, butter, and herbs is rich, creamy, and keto perfect. Point number three, why keto folks should really care. Keto naturally restricts some vitamin-rich foods. So how do you keep your energy up, fight off the keto flu, and stay strong? Organ meats are the answer. They fill in the nutritional gaps without adding carbs. That's why top keto experts and coaches are bringing them back, and why you should too. They are nutrient dense, satiate the appetite, and are virtually zero carb, and that's why they're so ideal. So, if you're ready to level up your keto results, don't overlook the power of organ meats. Give them a try once a week. You'll feel the difference. If you want a beginner-friendly recipe guide, drop a comment below and I'll hook you up. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with your keto crew. I'll see you on the next video.